How's she going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's workshop for a special little video today. Today, Good Friday, special day, especially in the Christian world, where we pause, give thanks for Jesus Christ who died to save us all. And what we need now, more than anything, is saving with what's going on in the world with the coronavirus. So please, wherever you are, whatever your faith, whatever your creed, whatever your nationality, take some time. Just pause, reflect, meditate, pray for better times ahead. And happy Easter, everyone.
He takes away all our worries. He takes away all our tears. He takes all our heartaches, wipes away our fears. He gives us the gift of faith to make those mountains move. He gives us hope, our doubts He does remove. He takes away what we do not need to give us the things that we do. He covers us all with divine love, all our whole life through. We look now with blessed hope for promises He foretold. Trusting hearts receive what we shall behold. How can we thank and praise our God as we trust His awesome power? Our Lord and our Savior, our fortress and highest tower. He takes away